While working with Excel, it is quite common to encounter display errors. These often occur due to incorrect data entry or unexpected results from formulas. Sometimes these errors can make the spreadsheet difficult to read and interpret. In this tutorial, we will focus on several common errors that users typically face in Excel and how to address them effectively. These issues can happen frequently, and being aware of them is essential for clean, professional workbooks. Here is an example table that illustrates such a problem. Suppose you are dividing the value in cell C16 by the value in cell C15. If C15 contains 0 or is empty, Excel will return an error instead of a valid number. This can cause the cell to display undesirable characters or error messages. To manage such situations, we can use the IFERROR function. This function allows you to replace any error that may appear with a value of your choice. For instance, if a formula like C16, C15 returns an error, you can wrap it with IFERROR and display a custom message or an alternative value like no result instead of the standard error message. Let's say that dividing 14 by 15 gives a correct result. However, when the denominator is 0 or missing, the formula returns an error. By using IFERROR, we can instruct Excel to show something like no instead of the error message. Without using IFERROR, Excel will simply display an error, which is not user-friendly and can make the spreadsheet look unprofessional. To fix this, simply wrap your original formula with the IFERROR function and add the alternative text or value you want to appear. This ensures that your spreadsheets handle errors gracefully and display results as expected, making your work more accurate and presentable.